how cute this is. All right, this is the rice puffs, like a little sandwich. So you go, your hands all dirty with the chocolate, a little PB&J, and some of it's just the J in chocolate. Enjoy. Okay, I had a crazy hankering and had a little bit of leftovers, and this is a trash to treasure thing because I didn't want to waste anything. What I am doing in the video is going to be a little bit different than the instructions and what I'm going to tell you right now, because I discovered what I did that was wrong. So when you put the crust down, put the chocolate down, let that set, then the jam, let it set again, then put the chocolate, smoosh the other layer on top, flip it so the bottom is now the top, then let it set. So once you have the chocolate on the base, that's going to harden and it's going to hold it all together. I enjoyed it better frozen. Do you enjoy?